I wanted to buy cryptocurrency, but and couldn't quite figure it out. Seemed difficult. I would very much like to try myself in trading. Do you have any suggestions?
Um, yeah, so there are a number, well, there's many different platforms that you can buy cryptocurrencies from. What I would say is, of course, you need to make sure they're good platforms, regulated platforms. Um, I personally would suggest sticking to some of the bigger obvious currencies. There are thousands of different currencies, so I would stick to begin with the Bitcoins and Ethereum type coins. But in terms of the volatility and such things, again, we can go back and look at what I mentioned earlier in answer to a question, in that if you have something like UPI on our own platform, and you then use that to trade on the XPI platform, which is our version of it, you can actually take out that volatility to begin with, and then you can hold your investment in the stable coin, and then you can buy or trade between currencies when you're wanting to. So that's a quicker, simpler way of doing that. And also on that platform, for those that are more advanced, if I could perhaps put it that way, so that the more professional traders or those with bigger investment portfolios, the next step up could be we also have an OTC or over-the-counter market, and that enables you to buy much larger amounts of currency off market, so you don't have to go through the normal routes. So you can buy or sell directly, and that will give you a potentially a different price to having to go through the standard markets. So there's lots of different ways, and it would depend on how much you're looking at buying or selling, how sophisticated an investor you are, and by that I mean how experienced you are and how much money you're wanting to invest. But as I say, lots of different ways, but look at our own website and our own platforms, and that will give you one example of what's possible. We like to think a very good example, but as I say, there are of course others out there.